You can check out with Affirm by clicking on Order Now here, or you can choose your payment plan here, or you can select your payment plan here. Enter your billing information accurately and provide your phone number and email address. Sign up for emails and text messages to get 10% or 15% discount code for snowjoe.com. Click on Checkout with Affirm. Add additional products and accessories to your cart, or click on Skip to Checkout. On the order summary page, click on Checkout with Affirm. This will take you to the Affirm page. Enter your phone number. Affirm will send you a verification code via text message on the phone number you provided. Here's an example of the text message. Enter the 4-digit verification code provided by Affirm. Create your account by providing your information. Check your eligibility by providing your birth date, social security number, address details, and click on Verify Information. Pick a payment plan, 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months, and click Continue. Read the lending and loan agreement and agree to the terms by marking the checkbox. Click Confirm, and you're all set.